equipment check. What's required?
Still sharp.
What's recommended?
Get your truck on a level surface. I use ramps because my driveway's sloped. Take that can opener and puncture a pour hole and a breather hole in your gear oil. Using an empty gear oil bottle is by far the best way to fill the case. Just like every other part, we always make sure we can loosen the fill point before we drain. Alright, loosen that drain plug and let's drain that transfer case. Take the fill plug out and let it breathe, and then you can just see it pouring out now. I like to use new gaskets. They're not crush gaskets, so as long as your old ones are in good shape, go for it. Transfer case is now empty, so let's wipe that drain point and start the drain plug by hand, nice and snug. Fill it up as much as we can, put that whole cord in there. It'll start to weep once it gets to the full point. Wipe it, put the fill plug in by hand, torque it to 27 foot-pounds, both drain and fill, and that's it.
Thanks for hanging out with us. See you next time on Team Oil Drop.